Here at the Law Library, we have access to West Academic, which is a publisher of many different types of study aid materials that you should be familiar with. With West Academic, you want to make sure that you sign up for your account for the first time using the link on our library page and use your ASU email account. And you can see, we know that I've signed in as a member of the ASU community because it shows our logo right on the homepage. If you don't see that logo, it means you may have limited access to these resources. So if you can't figure this out, feel free to contact me or any of the library staff and we'll help you out. Most likely, you just didn't go through the link. West Academic houses a number of very useful series, and you can see them if you select the series, and it will give you an overview of the types of things that it has and the publishers, the series titles that you will need. Especially useful when you get around exam time is the Exam Pro series or perhaps the flashcards that you'll see right here. You have unlimited access to all of these. They are normally paid content that you would have to buy or check out online. We have it for you here. West Academic also has a series of videos. These are also fairly new, and so they have kind of limited subject matter for the time being, but they can be really useful and you may be able to find something that could be very helpful to you. And finally, West Academic has a robust collection of sum and substance type audio lectures for you. These are generally given by Barbary lecturers, and they'll go over broad outlines on any subject matter and help you reinforce concepts that might be difficult for you during your classes. They can be a nice way to review the material if you're at the gym or driving in your car or riding the light rail to school.